Alright, what's going on? Schmitty Garage. Still working on this 05 Infinity G35. No tail lights. I checked the fuses. The fuses are good. I checked the bulbs. The bulbs are good. I used a power probe and all the lights light up. And now I'm checking the headlight switch. These little like brush things slide across these terminals depending on what function you want, whether it's blinker, high, low, tail lights. Everything in here seems to be okay. All the contacts are good. It's lubed up very nice. All the solder joints are good. This headlight switch doesn't look like it's the issue. Just trying to knock out everything I can to try to figure it out. I really think it's the body control module. I'm going to start tracing the wires from the fuse to the body control module and from the headlight switch. Actually, I'm going to go from the headlight switch to the body control module and see what I can find. But I doubt that the wire would be bad. It's probably a component. So, anyway, very unpleasant electrical diagnostics. See if I can set this up. So that's the blinker. It moves this contact here, which is, so there's your blinker circuit, either right, left, or in the middle for no blinkers. It completes the path from there, completes the path from there. And then the headlight, that's the one I need to figure out. Okay, so the headlight circuit are these right here. I gotta put it back on though. So there's a little bar in there, and then it slides in here, and then you just turn the knob and it completes the path for whatever you're trying to do. So let me see here. All right, so that's the off position. And then that should be all the running lights, tail lights. That's regular. Okay, so that's auto. And then that's the running, so off, auto, running lights, lights. And then in conjunction with the so that's all of these right up here. So let's try to figure this out here. Whoa. That goes in there. Man, do I not like working on electrical. Do. All right. So now we're trying to figure out That's lights off. All right. That position right there is just lights. So you need to find the correlating position on here. Everything looks good. Alright, I'm putting this back together because I don't believe that this is the issue. And then it goes right in there. It just clicks in. Looks like that. All right, highs work. All right, let's see here if everything works. Left blinker, right blinker, highs. Everything but the darn tail light. Alright, the problem's not here. So, moving on. I'll do another video in the next area I'm working in. Peace.